Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the Audio Noise Remover by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to clean up noisy audio recordings and export them in a professional format. This actor removes background noise like hums, room noise, or ambient sounds from audio files using automated processing. You can upload common audio formats, clean them up, and convert them to formats like MP3 or WAV in just a few clicks. So, how does it work? You can upload audio files in several popular formats like MP3, M4A. The actor automatically detects the format, so there's no setup required. For this demo, I'm uploading a short audio clip that has noticeable background noise.
Maybe
This could be a podcast recording, an interview, or audio captured on a phone or a laptop. You can control how aggressive the cleanup is using the noise reduction level. Low keeps more of the original texture. Medium is a balanced option for most voice recordings, and high is useful for very noisy environments. You can also choose the output format for the cleaned audio. If you enable Preserve Original Quality, the actor uses a higher bitrate, which is useful for podcasts or professional voice work. Once everything looks good, you just start the actor and let it process the audio automatically. We'll let the actor do its magic for a few seconds. Once the actor is done, you can see the output in this dataset table. You only have to click the processed audio URL to be able to download it. This kind of cleanup would normally take manual editing in audio software, but here it's handled automatically in just a few minutes. This actor is ideal for podcasters, content creators, and video editors who want fast, consistent audio cleanup without complex tools. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.